Hi, Alecia Daniel-Hall, attorney and realtor. And one of the questions that I get pretty often right now comes from sellers who are trying to figure out how they can be assured that they'll have somewhere to go after they sell their home. Now, remember, in a seller's market, the sellers control the inventory. So, one of the things that you can do is you can incorporate a sales contingency clause in your contract. There are different contingencies in contracts. Buyers have appraisal contingencies and they have inspection contingencies. Well, a seller can have a sale contingency, and it doesn't mean you have to wait until exactly the day of the closing, but what it does mean is the seller can say, look, I right now, my last contract for the purchase has fallen through, so that's going to push the closing on this sale a little bit further. And basically, what you're doing is you're making the sale of your current home contingent on the purchase of your new home. And that's what a sales contingency clause does.